Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to create another design using this solid 16-inch heart. What we are going to do is we're going to cut out and hollow out this heart. So I'm just going to begin by drawing a little outline as to where I'm going to cut. You'll need an X-Acto knife. That's what I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using an X-Acto knife. So just begin by tracing out how thick you want your hollow heart to be. And we're going to slowly begin cutting it out. So I'm just going to switch the type of knife I use. Thought it would be easier using the X-Acto knife, but this is much easier for me. Of course, use whatever you're comfortable with. And then we're just going to try to pop it out, like so. Just gently press it on the bottom and yep, like that. Just comes out like that. Very easy, very simple. And just fix anything. Fix the shape as you like with the foam. Your frame here into water. Make sure that you cut all of the oasis soaked with water very slowly to not create any air pockets. Now we're just going to begin placing our carnations in. Cut it on an angle and leave these gaps between each carnation. I'll show you later on what is the reason for this. So once you're done with your base, what we're going to do is you're going to take a carnation and cut it about 7 inches long. And what we're going to try to achieve here is kind of like a cascading, falling gradient effect with the heart shape. So just cut your carnations shorter and shorter as you go along and put it into the gaps here between these carnations. So as you can see here, we do have that cascading effect, and here we're just going to kind of connect the base with this top row over here and kind of make them fall into one another. Once you have achieved your cascading effect, we're going to begin adding some filler and some greenery to kind of cover the oasis part of our frame here. At this point you can add in any extra carnations. So you can also cut and fix your greenery in case it's too long or there's some edges you don't like. But just fill up your little arrangement here. You want to make sure to cover the oasis. You can use ruscus or salal. You can use any big leaved, little leaved greenery. This point is totally up to you. The design is totally up to you and how you fill it in. So feel free to use anything you'd like. I am using Limonium, but you can use baby's breath or any other fillers you'd like. This is your final product. As you can see here, we have filled up everything with greenery. You can feel free and go ahead and use roses, you can use spider mums, you can use any other flowers as you like, any other small-headed flowers. And that's all. Or something like this you can use for weddings or birthdays or any sort of celebration or occasion. So thank you so much for watching. Leave any comments, questions, or concerns below, and don't forget to subscribe.